Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Pipedrive pipelines for no-code sales dashboards. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To restore Pipedrive pipelines for no-code sales dashboards, start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the Pipelines section in the main menu. Click on the pipeline you wish to restore. Locate the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the settings icon to open the pipeline configuration. In the configuration panel, you'll see an option for Restore Pipeline. Click on Restore Pipeline to access the restoration options. You'll be presented with a list of previously deleted pipelines. Choose the pipeline you want to restore from this list. Confirm your selection by clicking the Restore button. Once restored, return to the main pipelines view to ensure the pipeline appears correctly. Now, navigate to your no-code dashboard creation tool. Connect the tool to your Pipedrive account via API or integration settings. Select the restored pipeline as your data source for the sales dashboard. Customize your dashboard by selecting the specific metrics and data visualizations you want to include. Save the changes to your new sales dashboard. Review the dashboard to ensure all data is displaying accurately. If everything looks good, you have successfully restored your Pipedrive pipeline for your no-code sales dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.